Alright, it's time for another Dollar Tree DIY. So for this one, I got to thinking when I took another look at those craft ornaments, I thought, I wonder how many different types of material I could actually put in here. And so that's what we're going to do today. So I'm showing you a bunch of options that you could get at the Dollar Tree and put it into these ornaments, both the large and the small. Now, not everything fits into the small, but there are options for those as well. So now a couple of the material I showed you guys, I don't actually show putting those into the ornaments, but I just wanted to at least give you a list of other materials that you could use as well. So I'm just showing you some of my favorites and the little red bows, and I also combined it with the gold, but I want to say that I wanted to have green and silver in this. I thought it would be really cute, but I couldn't find those bows, but I do know that Dollar Tree sells them. So I just put in what I had, and I think it still turned out cute. And then I add the bells, which is really fun too because it also makes a sound. And also, you can use this to build your own ornament collection for your tree, or you could use them to string garland. You could use these for your kids to make their own ornaments. It's super easy. There's no glue, anything messy, paint involved. If you don't want to do that, you can just fill them up and then decide how you want to use them. You know, whether you put them on a tree or you, again, do the garland. And I'm going to show you my favorite option, which you'll see at the end. So in the meantime, I'm just showing you all the different ways that you can fill this up in some of my favorites. And I will say that I don't know who's been with me long enough to remember this DIY, but my very first DIY using these ornaments from Dollar Tree was years ago. I'm thinking like 5 years ago, and I put in the white beads that looked like faux snow, and then I put a deer sticker on the outside, tied it with plaid ribbon, and I made a bunch of those for my tree, and I still have them all. So I will try to find that video. It's pretty old, and I'll link it down below, but thumbs up if you've been with me long enough to remember that DIY. Yeah, so then anyway, as you see, I'm just filling these cute little ornaments up, and I was really happy with how it all turned out. I thought it was super cute. And I guess sky's the limit here. Comment down below, let me know what you would put into these ornaments. And now I'm going to show you how I would use them. You guys know I love gift wrapping. It is my favorite part. I put a lot of thought into each and every single present that I wrap. And for this one, I thought I'm going to make some charms for gift bags. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. So you can see here I'm just tying a red ribbon, and I wanted to have the ribbon be different lengths so that the ornaments were at different height from each other, I guess, or different spaces from each other. And you just pick the ones that you want. I will say this about Dollar Tree gift bags: the handles are not sturdy. Sometimes they just come right out. So, and these ornaments can be a little bit heavy, so make sure that you are securing your handle. And even if you're not putting ornaments, I would still advise this because some of these Dollar Tree bag handles are just not secured. And you don't want to be like walking and holding your gift and then it falls and then maybe you have something breakable. So, you know, you could just maybe lay over a piece of tape to secure it or add a little bit of extra glue or something, but just keep that in mind with these flimsy handles on these bags. But as you can see, I'm just picking out the ornaments that I thought would look best with the color of the bag and the color of the tissue, and I'm obsessed. I absolutely love this, and that's it for this video. Again, comment down below, let me know what you would put in there, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!